Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy with another AI build series tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact process on how to build a digital product using AI tools, After Effects, and my Mike Murphy AI build system to go from idea to shipped. Build number 108 is the AI themed sticker pack. These are digital stickers. The pack includes 10 PNG graphics. It includes 10 looping video files. It also includes 10 animated GIFs. It has shipped. It is available on Gumroad for a whopping $5. The purpose behind this AI build series in today's tutorial is to show you and encourage you to take your ideas, use AI tools, many of which are available to you for free, and actually build something and ship it or put it for sale to help you generate revenue so you can keep doing what it is that you want to do. Every AI build starts with an idea. What is something that I can create with the help of AI tools and turn it into a digital product? Build number 108's idea was inspired by all of the feedback and the buzz around OpenAI or Chat GPT's image generator. People have been really excited about the new OpenAI Chat GPT image generator because of how well and accurate it renders text. People have been also excited that you can create graphics with transparent backgrounds such as stickers. I decided that build number 108 I would use Chat GPT's image generator to create a digital sticker pack, and instead of graphics, I would test it out using text-based stickers. After I come up with the idea to build a digital product, I then go into plan mode, which typically means going into Chat GPT or any other chat assistant and doing a little brainstorming, figuring out how it is that I want to build and structure the product. I decided I would create a 10-pack of AI-themed stickers. These are just words or concepts related to AI. Once I came up with a prompt that I was going to use to build the stickers, it was then time to start the build process. Build mode was pretty simple for this project. I entered a text prompt. I told ChatGPT what it is that I wanted this sticker to say, the color. ChatGPT generated a sticker with a transparent background. All I had to do is simply download each graphic. And I will say that ChatGPT Image Generator did an excellent job of keeping all of the graphics very similar in style. Once I generated all 10 stickers using ChatGPT, which took about 1 to 2 minutes per sticker, I then created a Photoshop document sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels and just made sure that all of the stickers were sized the same way. And then I exported all of the stickers as PNG images with a transparent background. In addition to the PNG graphics, I also wanted to animate the stickers. So I opened up After Effects, I created a new composition of 5 seconds long. I added all of the stickers as their own pre-comp, and then I just added a very subtle wiggle. You can hardly see it moving. I just wanted it to have a little bit of movement so you could share these stickers online or place them over a video without them being distracting. I then exported all of the stickers from After Effects using Adobe Media Encoder. In each sticker, I rendered one as a looping video file and an animated GIF. So for the looping video file, I used QuickTime and Apple ProRes 444 with Alpha, so there's transparent background. And for the GIF, I just used the animated GIF preset with transparency. So at the end of the build stage, I had 10 PNG graphics of the stickers. I had 10 5-second looping videos. These are .mov files with a transparent background, so you can overlay them over other videos or images. And then I had 10 animated GIFs that would loop forever and ever and ever. After the build stage is testing. That's debugging, troubleshooting, making sure that everything is working well, looking good, before you package it up and put it for sale as a digital product. The next stage in my AI build system is my favorite, and that is teaching. Documenting what it is that I'm learning, the process that I'm using to make digital products. Not only does teaching help me get better, it also hopefully helps and teaches you and inspires you to go out and build digital products. After the teaching stage, it's on to documenting the process, which for me is basically asking Chat GPT to create the documents to document my process. Then it is on to packaging, where you are organizing the assets that you're going to ship or upload to Gumroad or whatever platform you're going to be using to sell your digital product. Once somebody purchases the AI Sticker Pac, this is the package that they're going to download to their computer. So I want it to be well organized. I want it to contain everything that they purchased. I want it to be well documented. This is all part of the branding and the user experience. So put some time and effort into the packaging. And finally, the most rewarding step in the AI build system, the dopamine hit of them all, is when you ship or when you upload and make your digital product available to the world. If you are a creator and you struggle with the business side of things, aka making money, generating revenue, I know this is something that I struggle with. This AI build series is here to encourage you, to inspire you, to teach you just how easy it is to use AI tools today to take an idea and build a digital product. The AI Sticker Pac Volume 1, which there is a link in the description if you want to check it out or even purchase the pack. This went from an idea to a digital product for sale in less than a day. Now, am I going to make $1 million selling $5 AI stickers? Probably not, but you never know. What it is doing for me is getting me in the habit of building digital products, something that I've struggled with in the past. So as I am learning new AI tools, now my mind is saying, okay, what type of digital product can I make with this new AI tool? And I'm going to share everything that I'm learning and making with you. So it's not only going to encourage me to keep building new digital products, but hopefully it is also teaching and inspiring you to do the same. If you have questions or feedback, or if you're finding this AI build series helpful or inspiring you to go out and build your own digital products, please leave a comment. I really want to hear from you. Also, I would love for you to subscribe to my newsletter called AI Unplugged, which you can find by going to aiunplugged.io or just check the link in the description. And that is how I went from idea to shipping a digital product in AI build number 108. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.